Hi, I'm trying to replace 2006 MB brake switch. The reason I'm trying to replace is that I had an ESP malfunction lights on the other day, and I look around somewhere, forums and there. I had to replace two things. One is a steering angle sensor, the other one is a brake switch. And one of forum asked me, that it is really easy for me to do it, so I did it. It's really easy. I bought a parts right here from a dealer. It is $20.06. And in order to do with it, you're going down all the way back down here. So right under the hood release, you will see one here and one here and another bolt here. You have to take it out with something like this. I'm going to do it. I come back. No, I can do it right away here. See, I was going to do it like this and playing it out. Okay, I come back later. In 1 second. You can take all the way down here. And okay, these are three that I just did it. Now you see it is coming off, right? You pull it a little bit down there, and this part and this part. Let me see. Do it. Okay. This is the one I pulling it down, and right there, do you see the red wire thing? Right, this is a brake switch. The first thing, I'm going to take the wire out. Okay, oh shoot. See it? Like this. See it here? Where is it going? Right here? I take it out, okay? And then in order to take it out, you pull it in. There's a little plastic thing on your right, and you have to press it and turn clockwise and pull it out. Coming in here. Okay, right, this is the old one, and I was see that from other forum, this whitey part, right, is coming in and out, in and out. Now I show you the brand new one. Okay, this is the one that I got from a dealer, right? And let me see. So this is the exact same thing. Okay, this is the part that I mentioned that you have to press it and turn it around. Now this time I'm going to press it, coming back way. Okay, give me 1 second, see if I can do it. Let me see it. You have to find out the hole first, and then squeezing it. This is the part. I touch it. I don't know how much I can do it. Let me leave my phone here. Wait a second, see what I can do with it. goes in. What is it? Is it saying? Yeah. So I have to goes in. Goes in. Okay, this way. Oh, where? I want to see it. Down this way and this way. Right, so I gotta go this way in. Up there. Okay. This one in. Okay, I got clicked it. Okay. I wish I have some light, but it is not. But you know, I press it this part and squeezing in and turn this way in. Now I can click it. So now I have to connect the wire. Okay. Okay. Got it. I got another click sound. That's it. Now pull this one in. Full door set in and screw it. Okay. Okay. Screw it. See here. Screw it here. Another back. Here. Oh my god. Here. You see it? Oops. No, you can screw this in later. Okay. That's, let me see. Let me just finish it for your references, okay? So that this is what it is. I want you to before you buy the part, because you may easier for you, maybe not. Before you buy a part, try to open this one first and practice. If you think that you can do it, do it. I did it before I'm buying parts, right? I opened this part and coming down and trying to see if I can do it. And yeah, I mean, I saw it and it was kind of a thing that I could do it, I believe. That's why I bought it. Okay, like this. Okay, here as well. Okay, see, that's it. I'm done. Whew, I hope that you guys can save some few $100s with paying it like $20 and how many? 8 minutes. Okay, good luck. Thank you.